Hey guys, Nick Turner here with the Alan Turner Home Team. I'm going to be hosting an open house at this awesome house this Sunday, May 19th from 1 to 3 p.m. The address is 3320 Ashley Oak Court, and I'm going to give you a real quick sneak preview of a couple of my favorite things. Here, come with me. So as we come in the house, the first thing we notice is just how great a shape the home is in. I mean, look at these awesome floors. We also see, look how big this kitchen is. It's got a great open floor plan, all the rage these days. One of the best features of this house, in my opinion, though, is the size of this backyard. It's fully fenced in. It's on a corner lot. You could have, you could play a whole football game out here if you wanted to. It goes and goes and goes all the way around the side of the house here. This is just really hard to find in this area around Cumming of such a great looking backyard. Like I said, totally fenced in. Some great landscaping here. This is just a great place to hang out, have the kids play. One more thing I want to show you. You're not going to get to see the whole house. You got to come out Sunday for that from 1 to 3. If we come upstairs, now this house has 5 bedrooms upstairs, okay? The master's here. You're not going to get to see much of it yet. Like I said, you got to see it in person. But it's got this great bonus room right next to the master. Super private back here around the corner. It could be an office like it is now. It could be a great place for a nursery. Something like that. Very, very private. Like I said, you're kind of tucked away from the rest of the house around the corner here. These are just a couple of my favorite things. Like I said, the rest of the house, the master bedroom, bathroom, the other bedrooms, you're going to have to come see for yourself. So once again, that's 3320 Ashley Oak Court in Cumming this Sunday, May 19th from 1 to 3 p.m. And really, do yourself a favor and come see this great house, beautifully updated on a great corner lot. And I'll see you then.